How is statutory law codified? Imagine a complex legal puzzle where each piece must fit perfectly to create a clear and organized picture of the law. This is essentially what the process of codifying statutory law involves. When lawmakers pass new laws, they do so through legislative bodies such as Congresses or parliaments. These laws, known as statutes, are initially enacted as individual pieces of legislation that address specific issues or areas of regulation. Over time, as the number of statutes grows, it becomes necessary to organize them systematically to ensure they are accessible and understandable. The process of codification begins with the collection and compilation of all relevant statutes into a single, coherent structure. This often involves consolidating laws that cover similar topics into comprehensive codes. For example, criminal law, civil law, and tax law are typically organized into separate codes. These codes are arranged in a logical order, often starting with general principles and moving toward more specific provisions. The goal is to make the law easier to navigate for legal professionals, government officials, and the public. Legislative bodies or specialized commissions usually oversee the codification process. They review existing statutes to eliminate redundancies, update outdated provisions, and ensure consistency across related laws. Once the laws are organized into a code, they are formally enacted through a legislative act, which may involve a vote or approval process. The resulting document is then published as the official legal code of the jurisdiction. In some jurisdictions, the process also involves the creation of annotated codes, which include explanations, case law references, and commentary to aid interpretation. These annotations help clarify how statutes should be applied in real-world situations. The codified laws are then maintained through regular updates, amendments, and revisions to reflected changes in society, technology, or policy. Ultimately, the codification of statutory law transforms a scattered collection of individual laws into a structured, accessible framework that guides legal interpretation and application. This systematic organization ensures that laws remain as clear, consistent, and easy to find, supporting the rule of law and justice in society.